I've been raised to know the great works of the words of Dr. Martin Luther King.
One of the things that inspired me was seeing protests happen all around the world, and I knew that our community needed to be educated and we needed to amplify the Black voices in our community to help make a difference. Each little community can make a difference if they just try.
And any and all African Americans can jog without fear, can play with a toy without fear, can sit in their homes without fear, and can just simply live their lives without fear.
We must do this for all of the Black young men and women who are just living their lives and have a right to do so without fear.
It brings love in my heart to know that all these people care, to show that they're here for us.
At what point is the color of my skin seen as a what?
We're being killed for just being us, the color of our skin. It's just not right.
You can do to make a change in the world, and I encourage you to think big.
I shouldn't be afraid that my dad, my uncles, my little brother could be next. I shouldn't have to worry that I could be next.